Hello and welcome to this review. This free account Monte, and I'm gonna show you how I set up it. Just so now we start. Welcome to this free account Monte, and you see here we have four. This is four different card. One ace, one and close, close up, and you have to follow the ace. You follow the ace, and we have the ace in the middle. We take the ace, take it in the middle. Ace is here, ace is here. Then we take clever, this, and take this, and then we have one left. So all good. So we do so, do so, do so, so, so. And what do you say it was? They will choose this one, and they have got it wrong. So now we have it here. Now we do it again and see if you get it right now. Now the ace is in the middle, and we do it in the middle, so we take the clubs, and we take it there, then we take the ace, put it there, again we have an ace, then we take the club, and then mix it, and I choose what is it there? No, it's not. Is it here? No, it's not. Is it here? We have the ace. Okay, you guessed how I did it, because now this is not the best version, but it's for the show. So you see here we have one ace, I tape it, and one set, I tape it. This is the not what I should use, but if you have a bicycle deck or a other deck, you have to peel it off and float it door, or you can take paper and make it in this, and make a paper and then draw over, and then you take lipstick and put it over this, or you take botwin and take two cards and
So, but this is for purpose, tutorial purpose. So you have to, I think, if you want. So you can do this, but this is a good way to do it. But you have to have them. So you take them, have this card. You can choose which of them, or which clouds you will choose. So you take this and you spread it so, and you spread it so. So you see, oh, you don't see it, but so it will be like so. And you don't have to spread it so. So you see the miso. So you go. So then you change it upside down. So it they are so no so and then I also and you show you this, show you this, and this is what, and then you take it and you take the ace there, you take this words, and then you shuffle them and remember what this is. You have to remember what this is, so you can do some dots so that you don't forget what this is, and then they will choose this one. No, it's wrong. So it's careful to take this round so, and you take it and you sew. So I then do it so. No, it's not here either. And then you can use also. So then you can choose the club what they not fix. This was here. Okay, it was here. So then you do it again and again. So you can do it more person. So we shake it. Then we choose them again. This one. So take you this one and take it with this corner, and we take it. Then we make it almost so. And where is the ace? There? Okay, are you sure? No, it's not the ace. Will you have a chance still? They pick this one. Oh, you got it right. It was this. Or if they get... No, it's not right. So there you have it. How to do it. And I wanna